What's good, guys? Welcome to the channel. Now, after one here. So in this video, we're going to be looking at the Charge 5. This guy. So yeah. So one thing about the Charge 5 basically is, it's a Bluetooth speaker, right? It's really heavy. Like right now in my hands, like I can feel the weight. I don't know if that's a good thing. Some people might like that, some people might not, but yeah, I just felt that you should know that. Another thing, like they just look through what they have on the body here of the Charge 5. 20 hours of playtime, IP67, waterproof and dust resistant, power bank, JBL Party Boost. Yes, that's interesting stuff here. So let's get this guy open now. So yeah, let's put that to one side. So yeah, this is guy, JBL Charge 5. I don't know if you can see that well. So yeah, this is the guy. So anyways, the JBL Charge 5 is packing like a lot of specs. So about the JBL Charge 5, the next thing that I want to talk about is the buttons basically on the speaker. If you look at this speaker now, you see that there are a couple of buttons on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons basically. Each button does like a very like unique stuff, as you might know. But one button that actually stands out is the Party Boost button. This button right here. What it does is that it helps you link a couple of JBL speakers. So if you have maybe 2 JBL speakers or 3, yeah, you can just link them up. You sync them up together and have like a surround sound basically in your living room or something, if you want that, if you're like a fan of that. So yeah, the play button, power, increase volume button, the connect button for the Bluetooth, power button, the minus button, and yeah, there you have it. So there's something here. This is a new stuff now for the Charge 5. Other charges don't have this. So this is like, I think it serves basically as the charging indicator. I don't think I've noticed any other function with it, but yeah, that's it. And also at the back, we have 2 stuff. The charging ports, like it takes like a Type-C charger, but the second one here, look at it. It's a USB like output port basically. So you can use it to just charge your smartphones, or you can use it to charge anything you want to charge basically. It sounds like as a power bank. Let me just warn you, it's going to affect the battery of the JBL Charge 5. So you have to be careful with that. Another thing about it basically that really stands out is the color. And this one is just for this stuff that stands out is just for this speaker basically, because this speaker is rocking the camo mesh here. So there are others that are white, red. I don't know who would buy a red speaker. Okay, maybe it looks good, but I won't buy a red speaker. But there's red in case you want that. I think there's black, blue and stuff. So there are a lot of varieties of colors for this. The price actually is really like budget. It's a really budget speaker. For what it gives, what it produces, the sound that comes out of this is mad. The sound is mad actually for the price. So this JBL, I got it for 105 Nigerian Naira, 105k. I think that's about $150, $160. So yeah, you can actually check it out, sorry, and yeah, get it. It's really dope. So pros and cons. Let me start with pros of why you should get this. Price actually, again, is really good for the price. That's one thing. I think that's the only thing that you should even be thinking about it, because in the situation of Nigeria, I don't know, you might be like hotel last child or something, but I don't know. For me, if I'm getting a speaker that's like below $200 or something, I'd go for this, and I did. So yeah, the JBL Charge 5, the price is really really cool for the specs that it produces. And another thing, it feels really really premium in the hand. Like if you feel it, if you hold it, if you look at like the whole edges, the everywhere, everything is sealed. It looks super tight and super chill. And the battery is strong. So I think this is a 7,500 mAh battery. um yeah, I'm not really sure about that number, but like I think it's around there. It's super strong. Like I've been using this stuff. Sometimes I use it for like throughout the nights into the morning, like, and I still have like enough battery to like do what I want to do, like play like movies, music and stuff. So it's really cool. Cons, yeah. A con that really really bugs me about this is that why would they put an output to charge your phone and it affects the battery? Like why would you give us that? Like you're giving us like a double-edged sword or something, like to just like, it doesn't make any sense on the premium stuff like this. So on that con, basically something that on that con basically is the audio jack that's missing here. So in JBL Charge 4, you can see it, like it has a an audio jack here, and like other JBLs too, they pack that. So why does this not have that? Like it doesn't even make any sense. Like, and we're upgrading, it doesn't make sense because it's actually a speaker. It's maybe they forgot that it was a speaker, but it's a speaker, and you might need to like connect it to your phone directly and play sounds from it. So why does it have to only be Bluetooth? It doesn't make sense. Yeah, I think that's the main con about this. Aside that, I feel if you're going to get a speaker and you want something that is an all-rounder and you want something that's also budget, I think the JBL Charge 5 is something that you should really 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 consider. So yeah, that's my take on it. And yeah, if you like this video, please leave a comment in the comment section. Please don't forget to like this video if you like seeing my face, or if you like seeing my hands, or if you like seeing the products that I like review stuff. You want to see more tech stuff, if you're really a tech person or you like tech stuff, please subscribe and you'll see more stuff like this. So yeah, see you guys in the next one now.